Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger V6 faster. First, consider upgrading your air intake system. A cold air intake can significantly improve airflow to your engine, potentially adding 10 to 15 horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system will further enhance engine breathing and give your Charger a more aggressive sound. Finally, an ECU tuner can optimize your engine's computer for these modifications, unlocking even more power and better throttle response. Let's dive deeper into those engine enhancements. A quality cold air intake replaces your restrictive factory air box, allowing your V6 to breathe much better. This simple bolt-on can yield noticeable gains in both horsepower and torque. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, further freeing up power and giving your Charger a more exhilarating sound. To truly maximize these upgrades, an ECU tuner is essential, recalibrating your engine for optimal performance with the new parts. Beyond engine power, improving your Charger's handling and drivetrain can make a huge difference. Upgrading your rear gear ratio is a game changer for acceleration, providing quicker launches. Next, a performance suspension kit, including components like lowering springs and sway bars, will sharpen your car's cornering ability and overall stability. Lastly, consider lightweight wheels. Reducing unsprung weight improves acceleration, braking, and makes your Charger feel more nimble and responsive on the road. Maintaining your Charger is just as important as modifying it. Regular oil changes and using quality lubricants ensure your engine runs efficiently and reliably. For safety and performance, upgrading to a performance brake kit with drilled rotors and better pads will dramatically improve stopping distances, especially with increased power. And for a great way to enhance your home's atmosphere, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other deals in the description below. These combined efforts will truly transform your V6 Charger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.